You're watching your best friend, Crystal J.
Hey you guys, it's your girl Crystal J. I'm back here with another video. Today we're doing part 2 of my hair review on Beauty Online. I want my reviews to feel real. That's the best way I can put it. I don't want to do a fake review. I want you guys to actually see me style the hair. I have not styled my hair since I got it done. This is day 3 and y'all see how my curls have really filled. You really can't see because I actually twisted this up, but it's in a bun so I can go piece by piece. I just want something light and cute. So I'm using my wand curler. It goes up to 200 degrees. And once again, it is the Beauty Online AliExpress hair. So, see, I'm just getting it. See what I'm doing? See this little part? Be careful. Now, I'm not really a hair girl. I'm a natural girl. So anybody who's trying to kill me or my comments about what I'm doing, it is okay. But anyway, this is my curl. I always start at the base. Now that part y'all seen is not the hair, but y'all see how it curls so nice. So y'all know how my hair reviews go. It's a 1 out of 5. It's still a 5 so far. We're gonna start at the base. And you can comb it at the base if you want to, but I like my curls slick, messy. Everybody to each his own. Y'all know I'm different. Anyway, and I just get it and pull it out like so, and that's pretty much it. So
I'm just gonna repeat that step all over. And I love this hair, like I told you guys. It curls pretty darn awesome. So right now I'm just adding some lipstick because, you know, spice up a little bit.
Recording my video, he wanted to decide to break a lamp. Show them that bad face. Back to mommy video. You want me to get back to my video? You want me to get back to my video? You know I'm gonna start your YouTube channel. Try it again. Look at the camera. Alright, so. Yeah.
Now I'm gonna comb the curls out because I told y'all like that messy look. Now my natural hair, I'm not putting no heat on it. We're about to part it. And I'm about to slick it down with some coconut oil. I get that from Big Lots for $7 for that big jar you just saw. And some edge control, and that's pretty much it. You guys like, no heat on my leave out. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys like this hair tutorial. I hope you love my new content. Please tune in every Tuesday at 4 o'clock and don't forget to subscribe.